Welcome to my channel. I'm Karina and I'm here to show you how to use free, simple tools to manage your business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update a signature on your online coaching agreement using the free tool DocHub. Let's get into it. So here I have DocHub open. It's very simple. It's just dochub.com. And I'm going to put the link in the description of this video anyway, so you can find this tool. It's completely free, so do not hesitate to use it. So what I want is to actually put a document inside, because you don't create documents there, you import a document. So I'm going to choose Google Drive because this is where my document is. But if you have it on your computer, you can click upload here and you're going to be able to upload the document from your computer. If you have it also in Dropbox on OneDrive, all work. So I'm going to go on my Google Drive. With uploading it. And here is my coaching agreement. If you are a coach yourself and you don't have a coaching agreement or you don't know how to write one, don't worry. In the description, I'm going to give you access to the template I have here. It's a very simple, very basic coaching agreement that I use with my clients for the past 5 years, and it's working very well. I have just basic agreement things on it. And I really advise all coaches to have an agreement with their clients. If you're not sure what to put in it, you can have access to the template of the one there. What's important is at the end, you are putting your name, which is not the case here because it's just a template, and your client's name. But what I want to do here, what I want to show you today is how you create your signature that you're going to use in the future and how you're going to ask your client signature here. To go first, for your signature, click into sign and create your signature. So you have different options, but you can even draw it if you want, if you feel like it. But I think for me, the best way to work is to go on type. It knows my name is Karina Douglas. So it is actually proposing me different signature. I like that one. So I'm going to put, and I'm going to save it as a default. My signature is saved. So now I can click on my signature and put it next to my name here. I can make it more or less big. And that's it for my side. Then what you want is actually to ask for a signature. So you're going to click into this manage field thingy there. And you're going to go into the signature field. When you drag it, you can see here that you can put it anywhere on the document. And from this, you're going to have the menu opening here that is prepare and sign request. So here it says signature field, and I'm going to write and connect. And you're going to put the email address of the person you want to send the document to. I'm going to put my email address. I can any random people's address. You're going to click add. And you can see here now this has been assigned. Then you click prepare sign request. You confirm that this is the email address you want it to send to. You can also disable or remove, but we don't want to do that. You can add a signature if you need more than one signature. In the permission, you can see here that you can add or edit the viewers. For me, all look good here. And in the option here, you can update the email subject, the email message, and you can also work on your notifications and reminders. So usually I leave it as it is because it's fine as it is, and I always tell my clients in advance about this document so they're not surprised to receive it. And then you can simply click send request, and the sign request has been sent. So what I think is really handy with this one is once the second party has signed the document, you receive it in your mailbox as a PDF that you can directly save into your computer. So here I received the email that says that the coaching agreement has been finalized. And if I open the email, I can view the documents and I can see at the bottom, there's a signature from the client. And what I can do is download it as a PDF. And here is my coaching agreement as a PDF. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it gave you the pointers you were looking for. If you have an idea of the next tutorial I should make, please leave it in the comment and I will definitely look into it. Have a wonderful time.